Welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to manage your employee settings. Let's get started. Click on the settings icon to access the main menu. Select Create Employee Details to create a new employee in your database. To begin, create a unique employee ID for each employee. Or you can use the employee's identity number, or use the auto-generate function to assign an employee ID. Update the fields accordingly. You can also upload a photo of the new employee. The format of the photo must be either in JPEG or PNG. To upload the photo, click Choose File to select the file to upload. Click Open and the file name will be displayed. If you don't have a photo to upload when creating the new employee details, you can upload it later at your convenience. To confirm the creation of the new employee, click Save. In the event that this employee ID was created incorrectly, you can delete this ID and create a new one. If you need to edit the employee details, upload a new photo, or delete an existing employee ID, you can do so. Select Edit Employee Details and select the employee to edit. In the event that this employee has more than one ID, type in the alternate employee ID to map the IDs together. During the check-in and check-out transactions, you can track the employee using any of the IDs tagged to the employee. Edit the fields accordingly. If this employee is currently not in active employment but is still part of your company, you can update the status as non-active. Click Save to update the changes. If you want to delete this employee, click Delete. If you want to upload a new photo of the employee, click Remove Image. Then, click Choose File to select the file to upload. Click Open and the image will be displayed. To confirm the upload, click Upload and Save Image. To have an overview of all the employees in your database, select Summary Employee Details. You can search for a specific employee, or you can click View to see the summary. If you click on the employee code, you will see the full details of the employee. Now that you have learned how to set up your employee details, it's your turn to try. Once you have successfully completed the setup, view the next video to learn how to set up and manage your product brand, class, and type details. Thank you for watching.